In this video, we will show you how to disable IPv6 on Amazon Lightsail. For some reasons, in here, you want to the IP public set on IP version 6 or IPv6. To disable on Amazon Lightsail, it's very easy. First, you need to log in on lightsail.aws.amazon.com. Then you can select your instance. As you can see there, in this instance is have IPv6. Sometimes when we install the application, this is point into this IPv6 and cannot open into the web browser. To disable this IPv6, we can just click on our instance and click manage. In here, just select networking. As you can see, this is your IPv6, and scroll down on the networking tab and you have the option to disable the IPv6. Just click this and make sure you can see that the Amazon cannot guarantee this instance will receive the same address again. Okay, just click yes to disable. Now, our Amazon Lightsail just have the IP version 4. And that's all tutorial how to disable IPv6 on Amazon Lightsail. Hope this video helpful for you.